On Monday, 8th of May 2023, the Border Security Force had nabbed 3 Jawans who were involved in killing of one Roning Nongkynrih at Mawshun Village under Pynursla Sub Division. While investigation has been initiated, sources informed that the Bsf have ordered for a court inquiry into the incident. It may be mentioned that the 3 Jawans who were apprehended include Constable Sengil Singh, Constable Kadam Kishore and Moni Singh, who had shot 3 bullets from the SMG Beretta gun, after which Roning Nongkynrih, whose head and neck were bullet-pierced, succumbed to his injuries. Moni Singh was sent to the Bsf headquarters with orders to not leave the premises until further orders. Late Nongkynrih was shot dead on the 5th of May on allegations of illegal transportation of cattle to the area. On Monday, the Khasi Students' Union Pynursla Circle had participated in a peaceful rally to persuade the Bsf and the state government of Meghalaya to arrest and punish those involved in the killing of Roning Nongkynrih. On the same evening, some unknown miscreants had set fire to the Bsf camp at Mawshun Village.